Jalup jatend jotije mag sirkal Eliud Owalo osingo ni chenro mar nono kendo pimo kaka bad migepe mag sirkal tiyo idhi time maler maonge dewo wang' ng'ato. Owalo wacho ni chenrono dhi luwo chike mag winjruok manoketi e kogno higa mokalo e kind jatend piny kod jotend migepe. Omedo ni maeri en okang' mar fwenyo kaka bede migepe tiyo kendo ibiro dhialogi gi mich kaluwore gi kaka gisebedo ka gitiyo. Bende inono kaka migawo mar lope kod udi tiyo gi e thuoloni. Chenro mano oyuore gi jatend migawo mar lope Alice Wahome.
You are aware that this was the first set of contracts which the ministry signed with His Excellency the President, and the implementation of that has been going on for the period June 2023 to June 2024. So we want to take stock of the extent to which the performance contract has been implemented. At the point of signing the performance contract, the parameters within whose confines the programs and activities of the ministry were domiciled were discussed and agreed on. The same to the programs and activities that the ministry needed to implement. The expected outputs and output indicators and targets were negotiated, validated, and ratified. So at this point in time, when we are undertaking the performance evaluation, the guiding principles and basis is what was discussed